Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to add ad blocker to your Chrome browser. So open Chrome and search here Web Store. Open Chrome Web Store. Now here search ad blocker or type ads block. So here you will see a list of extension. You can try which give you best performance. I will select this one. Ad blocker, ad block for Chrome, blocks ads on any website. Then click on add to Chrome, add extension. Now click on this pin icon and pin this ad blocker. Now visit any website. So you will see ads free, experience, and once you click here, so you will see protection on this website is turned on and blocked is one ad. So thanks for watching, and this is the way guys you can add ad blocker to your Chrome browser.